Meet the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia Limited. This isn't just a new model. It's the successor to the Venza, redefining luxury with every curve and contour. With its return to a tall wagon profile, the Crown Signia marries classic elegance with cutting-edge design. As the latest expansion of the Crown family, it boasts an array of high-end features standard across the lineup, setting a new benchmark for luxury. The Crown Signia isn't just a car, it's a statement of luxury and innovation. Beneath its sleek exterior, the Crown Signia hides a marvel of engineering. At the heart of this technological wonder is a 16-valve, 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid engine. This powerhouse churns out an impressive 240 horsepower, seamlessly integrating combustion and electric energy. The Crown Signia's engine is just the start. It's paired with 2 electric motors and a sophisticated planetary gear system. This setup not only boosts the vehicle's power, but also its efficiency, allowing for a smooth and responsive driving experience. One motor mainly acts as a generator, while the other drives the front wheels, either alone or in tandem with the gas engine. Fuel efficiency is paramount in this model, achieving up to 38 miles per gallon combined. This efficiency translates to a remarkable range of 551 miles on a single tank, making it both powerful and economical. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of just 7.1 seconds, the Crown Signia doesn't just promise efficiency, it delivers exhilarating performance. With such intricate engineering, the Crown Signia offers both thrilling performance and commendable eco-friendliness. Step inside the Crown Signia, where luxury meets cutting-edge technology. Begin your journey with the leather-trimmed steering wheel, a marvel of engineering that tilts and telescopes to accommodate your preferred driving posture with ease. This isn't just a steering wheel, it's your command center, perfectly positioned to ensure maximum comfort and control on every journey. Now turn your attention to the dual 12.3-inch screens, a showcase of technological prowess. The gauge cluster and infotainment system both feature crisp, clear graphics that bring vital vehicle information and entertainment options to your fingertips. Navigating through the menus is a breeze, thanks to an intuitive design that makes every selection feel second nature. Inside the cabin, the design philosophy is clear: sophisticated simplicity. You'll notice the minimalistic use of piano black plastics, emphasizing a clean and refined interior. Every element is thoughtfully placed, including the innovative storage center with a magic hinge, cleverly designed for accessibility and convenience. In every detail, the Crown Signia is designed to enhance your driving experience, wrapping advanced technology in sheer luxury. The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia Limited sets a new standard in the luxury car market. With its sleek luxury design and advanced hybrid powertrain, it promises not just a ride, but an experience. Each feature, from the robust 240 horsepower output to the dual 12.3-inch screens, is crafted to enhance every drive. Ideal for those who demand performance, efficiency, and unapologetic luxury, the Crown Signia stands as a pinnacle choice. The Crown Signia isn't just a car, it's the future of luxury on wheels. Are you ready to take the wheel?